welcome to you and thank you for visiting School of Digitizing. My name is Jackie and I am the presenter on the Bernina software. Phil is the presenter on Mbird. I just would like to take you through my website and show you what all happens if you are interested in purchase a single class or a membership or whatever your choice is. So when you land on the website, the home page, I'm going to click on home to make sure this is the home page, but that's a good habit to do when you do open a website. Just always go home, not your home, the home of the website, and there you will see then what it is. So this page changed a lot. It's in control of my webmaster. I just leave him to do what he gets paid for. Okay, now that you are here, you will see a lot of things. Let's see what's happening at the top. Members registration. That is, I'm going to click on it. That is, if you want to register, you've got your own username and password, and by the way, you can use the same username and you can use the same username and password, or you can use different ones. Okay, and then there's your CAPTCHA. That is just to get rid of junk and people with not good intentions. And then you can register and you get your username and password. It's good, then you can come on the mailing list and you will be the first one to know. Oops, now I went too far, schoolofdigitizing.com. And you will be the first one to know if there's promotions running, if there's a new class being added, and so forth. Okay. Then what we've got here is a sample video that you can hear. I'm an Afrikaans speaking South African and my accent is not pure English. My English grammar, I think, make some of your English speaking people's hair raise, but try, you know what, if you understand what I'm saying, does the grammar really matter that much? It's just my feeling. Okay, and here you will always find stuff like at the moment, we have got a promotion on our 2014 classes because these classes has been recorded already, and the moment you purchase it, it will be sent to you. Talking about purchase, after you purchase, you do get an email, a little letter, sometimes with even a download link. You know what, because at the current moment, South Africa is running with an electricity problem, and some days we have got a few hours that they take the electricity off and we all in darkness. If it's in the night, in the day, of course, it's light. And those are the things that affect all our stuff for people to download. So what I do from my side, the moment PayPal notifies me that somebody has registered, I reply and I do send you the classes. Whether you got it as a download or not, I do send it to you because I would like to be one step ahead. I like to believe I offer a good service, and before you can get disappointed, then my download link lands in your post box or in your email box. You have to, however, please keep in mind our different countries, and because globally people are part of this School of Digitizing training group, when I get your email, it might be 12 hours after you posted it, sometimes even 24 hours, depending where you stay. And then it also depends on my program. I take my business serious. I like to be on top of it for my clients, but we are sometimes going away. And there's public holidays that we decide to to just run away for the day. And then, as I said, the electricity once has caused that I could not send for 2 days. I couldn't send something out. It's just the times that the electricity were off and we were in, like I said, in darkness, then our internet is off as well. So I would like you to ask that, to keep that in mind. If it's over a weekend and you have not heard of me for 48 hours, then please send me an email. I am going to give you a list of all my emails, and I'm going to select a notepad now in front of you so that it is in this recording, and I am going to type all my email addresses that I operate from so that you can get hold of me. One is the School of Digitizing. The other one is DigiScouts.org. Is it now DigiScout or DigiScouts? I think it's DigiScout.org. And the other one is my Gmail email. Because I did this, because I was very, let me just type finish. There you are. So as you can see, there you can see all the email addresses that I'm working for, and this is what you then can use to contact me if there is not things going on. I want to say to you, I don't have emails and stuff on my phone. I'm very anti-phone and I've got a very basic phone, and so when I leave my home and I leave my computer, I don't have access to any of you. But most of the time, I would say 80%, 90% even of the time, I'm within a day. Time difference included, but in 24 hours, I will be back to you with an answer. So how do you purchase? If you have a look at this here, we go down here. These are the fundamentals of the software 7. And they are still in progress. So the moment you add to your chart, you get the recordings that has already been done, and those that's not been done will be sent to you as I finish it. You get an email to say, here's another class been finished, here's your download link. So that is, and the moment when all are finished, we are working to 40 classes at the moment, and it looks like we won't stop before 50 classes. So it's really a good collection, good information here that's been sent. The difference between fundamentals and the Bernino classes, the annual takes you one step further, teach you some advanced techniques like lace making, in the hoop projects, or just different applique stuff, tiny logo, using your sketchboard. There are plenty of them. And on the right hand side, I must confess, I will load more classes in the next 2 days. So by the time you read this, this will be up to class 24. Because that is what's done. But it always shows you here the classes that's been recorded in the last 8 months. There you've got a selection of the version 6, all 2013 classes, version 6, 2012, 2011. Now, on all my classes prior to version 7, that includes the version 6 for a few years, the fundamentals of version 6, plus 1 year of version 5 classes, is on a huge promotion, and we will get there. So, and there is, if you want to have them monthly, you have a $15 membership, and then you will receive 4 classes per month. If you can't take the once-off offer. Remember, once-off is always the cheapest choice that you can take. Okay, so these are the classes that you want. And if you click buy now, you go to PayPal, and there you do your thing. Even if you don't have a PayPal, did you know that you can click on PayPal and simply, I think that is what some of the customers said to me. Then she just typed there that she's paying with a Visa, Master, or whatever card, and it goes through. Okay. Download links. There is the various choices that you've got. Here you can also see there you can, I just wrote, why did I start with this? What made me do this? And it's more than, I think, 5 years down the line. And I just learned to love it more and more, to train. I'm one of those gossiping girls. And now I don't gossip about people. I gossip about knowledge. If I know something, I want the world to know it. That's just me. Okay, there you can register. As a member, you can log in and out. I want to say to you, this is important for you to register. You won't use the logins any or so much more with me sending you. But it's good to have it, because if you don't hear from me and you do log in, then you might be lucky and you can get the download. All right. And then you can edit your profile, the payment page, frequent asked questions. I'm not sure, but it might be that this video will be loaded in frequent asked questions. Terms, privacy policy, you paid for it. You didn't pay for it for your 5 friends. You only paid for your use. By sharing it, it's like taking food out of my mouth, and the same with designs. I just think we should be more respectful of copyright for what people do. Right, and then there's single classes for sale. If you just click on them, you can browse, and if each and every class that I have trained in the years that I'm doing it will be listed there. You just page and page and page and page and page, and you will get it. You sometimes get promotions in here. As you can see, our single classes has been marked down tremendously. And yeah, there you can see all the classes. So once you've purchased, let's say I'm taking this class, I add to cart. I'm not going to add to cart, so I just want to show you where are we going, and the internet, and there's my PayPal. It's one, if there's a coupon. I don't really work with coupons. I rather send you an invoice if there's any other arrangement. You have to agree to the terms, PayPal payment, and you can contact us, etc., etc. There's your stuff. Now, after you paid, you will receive from PayPal a letter. You will receive a letter from our WP store if you have registered as a member. And as I say, with a download link, which sometimes works, sometimes not, due to the problems that I did say. After you've done that, after you've done your purchase, you will receive a download link, and the download links I've got is in my Dropbox, and the classes is in my Dropbox. You will just get a link, and after you get a link, let me go with the free classes. There you are. There, for instance, you get, oh, but here's not download links. Okay. You get these Bernina links, codecs. Yes. Okay. So you get your, okay. No, that's not what it is. Free classes on the web. There you are. You can use this information and go and fetch these free classes for you. But you also need cleanup artwork. The Kodak and the WinRAR. Now, WinRAR is like WinZip. If you don't know it yet, it's upgraded the WinZip. into that it compress larger. But in other words, it make a huge file smaller than what WinZip does to save you on space, storage space on your computer. There is a free WinRAR, and yes, they ask you to pay for it, but until such time that you can pay for it, let me just show you a WinRAR. I'm just now looking. Where can I get a WinRAR file? Okay, these classes, please write them down. You can go and fetch them for you. They are for free. I just want to look for a WinRAR class. For a WinRAR folder. I would like to share that with you. It's the links only. I don't want the links. Okay, let's start again. My WinRAR. Okay, close window. You know, it's so amazing, but I just get a folder. Okay, now we have got here, I found a folder, Applique Embroidery. It's my own designs. It's these little L's, they all Applique designs. Here is my WinRAR. Can you see if I hover over it, it's a WinRAR. So if I want to open it, simply double click and then it opens. Let me open it. And there you can see it opens in the various, whatever language I've got. Now if I click on one of them, let's say L2 on the art. Okay, I want to see it. And there you can see I've got the evaluation copy here. Let me, okay, right click, extract without confirmation. That is because I have got here the evaluation copy. I want to tell you, I'm ready to buy it because it's just such an amazing program. Okay, it says now this is a duplicate. Do I want to replace it? Do I want to? And I say no to all because it's just to show you. But you could say yes to all, but normally it's the design that comes up. My folder where I fetches is still there. That's why I get that. But there you are. Then you can get it. And that is how easy it is to get your to get your file. And you will only have one folder in, which is the folder of your video class. Sometimes there's also artwork or so, but I mean, you won't have a list like this in it. But that is how the WinRAR works. Then I just want to say to you, that's only if you're interested. You don't have to do it. And, oh, what have I got there? So while we're talking, let's just have something in front of us. One of these beautiful owls. Can't you just kiss them? If you add it, there is a Skype group that's got, that is now, if you say, for instance, you join the 2014 classes, and it's only for what's going on now and in 2014, and mastering the fundamentals of version 7, there's a Skype group that all the members who wants to be part of the Skype group, they normally get the classes first, as if they're done, and they also interact with one another to get help. And that is so amazing. Even when I'm not available, somebody will be there to give you advice and just help you. So I truly hope this video will do the thing for you. I know it's almost 20 minutes, but that's me. Jackie likes detail. Okay, and she talks in detail. If there's any more that you need, you have got my email address. And I want to welcome you, and I can promise you my best service, because my aim is to please. and I love what I do, and that's why I love to share it with you. Bye for now, and see you in the classes.